Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I'm happy to see you all. Before we begin our class, I will give you 10 seconds to bring your 5A notebook, pencil, and social science textbook. Your time starts now. Bring it fast, only few seconds. Finish? You brought the notebook? Okay. Are you ready, children? In today's class, we are going to recall a topic from the third lesson, Panchayat. Do you remember, children, I taught you about a musical instrument which looks like a drum. Okay. The person hang it around its neck and beat it to make some noise. What is that instrument called? Very good, Dandora. Can you tell me what this Dandora is used for? Very good, children, for making announcement. Children, when I taught the lesson, I told you that Inayan and his father were having a conversation. Let's see what they were talking about.
Who conduct the Panchayat meeting, father?
The Panchayat members conduct the meeting.
Can you tell me what Grama Sabha meeting is?
People of our village gather together and discuss the role of the Panchayat. Village Panchayat is the root of the Panchayat Raj system.
Thank you, Dad. I learned so much about Grama Panchayat.
Few more information that we must learn from this lesson. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act was passed by the Parliament in April 1993. There are 3-tier systems of Panchayat Raj. More than 500 people in town Panchayat. There are 12,620 village Panchayat in Tamil Nadu. Next, we are going to see about election method. Village people select the president and members through the election once in 5 years. Kudavolai is the method of election. When these leaders are elected, they have to fulfill some duties. Now, let's recall the basic needs of the village. Construction and maintenance of village wells. Providing electricity and maintaining the street lights. Constructing roads and maintaining them. Setting up sewage channels. Maintaining primary schools. To meet all these needs, the village panchayat needs money. From where does village panchayat get money? From the central and the state government. What are the other functions of the panchayat which helps in the development of the village? Maintaining the cleanliness of village. Setting up and maintenance of public market. Planting trees in either sides of the road. Establishing center for informal and adult education. Constructing library. Organizing festivals in village. Let me ask you a few questions and you'll try to think and answer. Take out your 5A notebook. Just note down the question and write the answer. Shall we start? Okay. Name the 4 types of taxes. Make it fast. Finished? Shall I read out the answer? Okay. Household tax, Tax for drinking water, professional tax, property tax. Shall we go to the next question? How many houses were built free of cost? Finish writing. Very smart children. Only in numbers. Make it fast. Okay. 850 houses. Shall we go to the next question? Very good, children. What are the awards given to best performing panchayat? 2 award. What are the awards? Just write it down. Make it fast. Finished? Okay. Nirmal Puraskar Award, Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award. Shall we go to the next question? Okay. How many times must the Grama Sabha meeting be held in a year? Make it fast. Finished. Very smart children. At least 4 times a year. What are the dates in which Grama Sabha meetings are conducted? You told 4, no? Just write the dates. Finished, children? Okay. 26th January, 1st May, 15th August, 2nd October. Smart. Now it's your activity time. Okay. Shall we do? Yes. Circle the pictures of facilities provided by village panchayat. Your time starts now. First picture, like a planting a tree. Second one, ice cream. Third one, school. Fourth one, street light. So which picture? Just tell me, I'm going to circle. I have to hear. You have to tell it louder, okay? Only few seconds. Okay. Now tell me the answer. Planting trees on either sides of the roads. Super. Next one, ice cream. No. Maintaining primary schools. Next one, providing electricity and maintaining street lights. Super, children. Shall we go to the next one? Match the following pictures with the words given below. Your time starts now. If you're ready, go to the office. You'll dress up neatly, no? So think what tax it will be. Next, water. Next, like a house. House is what? Make it fast, only few seconds. Tax for drinking water, property tax, professional tax. Okay. Now tell me what answer it will come. First one. Tell me the first one. Very good. What tax is that? Professional tax. Next one. Tax for drinking water. What is the last one? Property tax. Super, children. Okay. Thank you, children. I'll see you in the next class. Be safe. Bye.